Now this illustration deals the bonding of services, supply side, in accordance with 250.142 of the code. Now, notice that all non-current carrying metal parts that enclose conductors, circuit components, and things of this nature have to be bonded and grounded in with an appropriate grounding scheme. Now notice number 1 in the illustration, the service raceways, cable trays, cable bus framework, auxiliary gutters, service cable gutters, service cable armor or sheath, C2 50.84 for exception for underground service cable. And then everything would be listed as you see in item 1 there in 250.92A1. Now number 2 says all equipment, service equipment enclosures containing service conductors, which include certain items such as meter fittings, boxes, or the like, interposed in the service raceway or armor in accordance with 250.92A2. Now, as you see in this illustration, everything is grounded and bonded in properly. The weatherhead is bonded to the service entrance raceway. The meter's bonded in. We have fittings that bond in the raceways from the weatherhead to the meter. We have fittings that bond the meter to the service equipment. And then we have fittings that bond the service equipment enclosure to the water pipe system, as you see in the illustration. So this figure 16-91 is listing some important items that are included with the service equipment that requires bonding properly in accordance with 250.92A1 and A2.